Hello, Elrose here, and today I am back with another video on Stress Table, and today we are going to be, we just did a championship, we won first place, and now this person really wants to join the club leader that I am, Freedom Dragons, and if you do play Stress Table, and you are looking for an English club that does all disciplines, then you should totally join this one because it's oh, okay. She's gonna be away from keyboard. Okay. I'm gonna go collect my medal. Okay, I'm gonna collect. I'ma is a word for I'm gonna. Oh look, the Valedale Championship is in 45 minutes. Oh, I can't do that one because I'm gonna do something with my mom. So nobody has gotten back. I chatted like all of my friends like, hey, wanna do something? And I was like, and no, some people said no, but nobody actually said yes. One person actually, now that I think of it, maybe they had to log off, right? Let me just check. Oh, look, she's on. Hi. I'm recording. Want to come? I'm recording. Want to come? I'm in Fort. Just got first on the champ. Okay, I'm with someone else too. Okay, so yeah, we are having such a fun time. And Rose, I know you're probably watching this because, or you will be. Whoopsies, I just totally messed that up. Like, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna have to tell Claire that, like, I'm doing something. That I'm gonna do something with a friend. But she can come along, it's just she's non-Star Rider, so it's gonna be, like, we might have to go, what? Where do you want to meet? Okay. At the mailbox. Do you know where that is? Question mark? Do you know where that is? Okay, so hopefully she does. Okay, so she probably does because she answered yes to my comment. So yeah, I'm gonna tell her that a really good friend who watches my videos is coming. She just absolutely loves. Oh look, I just saw her fly by. Like, that was hilarious. I saw her jump over me, and I'm like sitting here like, yeah, my horse couldn't jump that because like he totally refused it. So yeah, good friend. I think she's here. Whoa. No, I don't think so. There. Okay. Hi. Someone else is coming. Hi, someone else is coming. They love my Okay, so I'm just going to continue writing. And P.S. guys, I am going to be like, this video is just going to stop at 15 minutes. I won't be able to see it, just for reasons. Where are you? Okay. At the mailbox and okay. I don't actually see her, but she must be close. No, she's not right there. Where is she? Hello, is that you? Yeah, there's Rose. Hey, Rose! Rose! We walked right past her. Lol. Lol. Greetings! Greetings, my... Ah! So yeah, I'm totally failing. It's like, ah! Invite group. Okay, so she's about to come. Hey, who? Did somebody go there right now? Yes! Yes! I am. Did you watch my other video? Use group chat. Yay! Thanks. Yay, thanks. Hi. Wait. Yeah, so these two get to be on YouTube. Nice to meet you. Good. Okay, so they're getting along. Sorry. Need to call you Clara. Sorry, I need to call you Claire. I need to call her Clara because Claire doesn't work. It hashtags up. So, are you here about the Freedom Days? I'm recording for you. So I'm recording for YouTube. Clara. And you're in it. Rose is here to be in my Rose is here to be in my and hang out. Maybe go to the garden. Oh, you are here to join my sorry. I forgot. God. It's kind of harder when there's somebody like non-star rider in the game, because then we can't go to some fun places. But I don't want to ditch her, because like I remember being non-star rider and it sucked when I got invited to something like, I don't know, let's say a group, and then everybody logged off and logged onto the group again so that they could just be alone and go to special places. So, race. Oh no, yeah, this is bad. This is very, very bad. Where and meet a rose? Where and meet a rose? What? Okay. Oh no, she's gonna host. Okay, that's fine. I don't care. I'm gonna host now. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna be the last one to say yes because it's fun. Is she gonna click yes? Click. Yes. Click yes. Oh. Okay, so it was me. She wasn't clicking yes, and then I commented, and she stopped clicking yes, and they totally just forgot we were racing. I guess Rose was kind of distracted, and Claire might not have known what to do. So yeah, now I'm in first, and that's fun, but I could live without. Oh! You see, you know what's really hilarious and really, really sad at the very same time? I did not remember how to get to South Hoof because the ferry landing for me, it doesn't work because I haven't discovered the one in South Hoof yet. So yeah, it's closed. But I forgot about the boat, and I totally, like, people are catching up, and she totally passed me. Because, like, that's totally what you do when somebody's taking forever. What? I went into third now. Like, okay, I get it, you're non-star rider, you might not be fast, but, like, I'm going to pass you. I don't care what level your horse is, but I'm going to pass you. Okay? Get it, got it, go. Let's go. Good boy. Push up. So yeah, we're totally gaining on her, and that's fine. I'm not going to slow down to let her win. It's just not how I roll, and she totally takes the way I never took. Ooh, sugar pie. My mom's talking about sugar pie, so like, I'm drooling. Ooh, dessert. I haven't had dessert, which is fun. No, it's not fun. I need dessert. I'm kidding. No. Fun. Let's go. Get up! Yes, and I pushed ahead. So I'm still in second, but I shall go